Hi everyone, Nick with Acme Tools. Today we're going to be taking a look at the latest cordless outdoor power equipment from Makita. Let's jump into it. Landscapers are demanding more cordless alternatives to gas-powered outdoor power equipment. Makita is meeting that demand with an expanding lineup of cordless OPE. First up, we're going to be looking at the 18-volt X2 or 36-volt LXT brushless cordless string trimmer kit. It's going to be model XRU15PT1 with zero emissions, lower noise, and considerably less maintenance than gas-powered string trimmers. The 18-volt X2 LXT cordless string trimmer is a welcome solution for landscapers. It's powered by two fast-charging 18-volt LXT batteries for maximum power and runtime, but without leaving the strongly preferred 18-volt battery platform. The electronic controls efficiently use battery energy to match the changing demands of the application for increased power and speed when needed. In addition, the string trimmer rotates in the same counterclockwise direction as professional-grade trimmers and uses industry-standard spindles. This 18-volt cordless chainsaw is a great tool for clearing dead trees or cutting wood. This is the Makita Xcu03z, which is the part number for this bear tool. This tool has the power equivalent to a 32cc gas chainsaw without all the hassles of dealing with a gas-powered tool. With its automatic chain lubrication reservoir, this tool is easy to maintain while also having no emissions and coming in at 100 decibels. As the Makita 18-volt X2 LXT cordless blower cleans up your leaves and debris, it produces no emissions, runs quietly, and requires little maintenance. This blower operates electronically and generates current without brushes. Thus, the blower runs cooler and with less friction, extending its life. With Makita's star protection computer controls between the 36-volt power of the dual lithium-ion battery and the motor, the lithium-ion cordless blower does not overheat and maintains consistent charge. It runs constantly on a half-hour charge with dual LED indicators for charge level. Weighing in at under 10 pounds, it has 6-speed blowing velocity and a 3-stage nozzle for cleanup. The blower puts out 120 miles per hour of air velocity and 473 cubic feet per minute of air volume. The inline fan on the Makita brushless blower streamlines its handling, and its sonic pressures is a low 60 decibels. It has a soft, rubberized grip and a lock button to minimize constant finger pressure on the trigger. The Extreme Protection Technology, or XPT, makes the motor water and dust resistant, and the housing has an integrated hook hole for convenient storage. Next, the Makita 18-volt LXT brushless cordless 24-inch hedge trimmer, model number XHU07Z for the bear tool. This tool has a 24-inch blade for increased cutting capacity and a 5-position rotating handle for increased comfort when trimming vertically or at an angle. A Makita-built brushless motor paired with a variable speed trigger delivers 4,400 SPM for faster cutting speed when set on high and down to 2,000 SPM on low. Lastly, we'll be taking a look at part number XML08Z. It's going to be the part number for Makita's 36-volt LXT self-propelled lawnmower bear tool. This brushless mower features a 21-inch wide deck with zero emissions and runs on 2 of Makita's 18-volt batteries with the capacity for 4 to double your runtime. The self-propelled mower can be adjusted from 1.5 to 3 miles per hour. To find more information or to shop any of these outdoor power equipment tools from Makita, head over to acmetools.com. And remember to always do your best work.